Concrete Grout Crack Repair. 3 components concrete floor repairing kit. Repair concrete floors, close large holes and deep cracks. Beaten hardener spread on the floor as primer. Concrete grout resin application ratio 1:3. Concrete grout bubbles application ratio 1:3. Concrete grout catalyzer application ratio 1:3. First step. Mix concrete grout resin with concrete grout bubbles. Second step, add concrete grout catalyzer. Pour the mixture on the floor. Apply with spackle. Common fillers have a negative character. They lose fill volume after curing and do not completely fill holes or cracks. Concrete Grout Crack Repair grows during the curing process and fills the holes up. Let it dry and then remove the excess. Grouting is complete. Slightly flexible mass. Fixing colors are available to color the grout easily. Is resistant to strong oils, many acids, cleaning agents, and alkaline solvents. Works in extreme conditions like forklifts and high traffic after a few hours of curing. Expenses for maintenance and cleaning are minimized significantly. The grout can be polished like the rest of the concrete, ensuring a uniform finish across the surface.